Hello and welcome to Life on the 49th. Today we are going to talk about woodshed design and location. Elliot and I have been wood heating technicians for over 10 years. In that time we've spoken to a lot of people about their woodsheds. The wood you are burning in your wood stove is one of the most important parts of the wood heating system. If your wood is wet, you're not getting as much heat out of the wood, and it can make your chimney fill with creosote and cause a chimney fire. Today I want to show you our woodshed and some of the key elements that make it work well. Most important is airflow. Always start by putting a pallet or something similar on the ground. If the wood is sitting on the ground, it will soak up moisture even on concrete. If possible, build your walls of the structure to allow for maximum airflow. And when stacking your wood, start the rows with a little bit of an airspace to allow for air movement. Chop your wood small, about the size you can pick up with one hand. This will increase the surface area, and despite what you might think, you can actually get more wood into your wood stove with smaller pieces than with larger. The roof of your shed should have a large overhang to ensure the precipitation is not going to hit the wood. Often you will see a pile of wood on the ground with a tarp on it. This is trapping the moisture in, and the condensation will rain down back onto the wood. Another common mistake is stacking it up and then tarping it. If you don't have a woodshed and you need to make a stack of wood somewhere, create a roof as best as possible out of metal roofing, or put some plywood down and then have a tarp folded on top of it, while still leaving the sides open for airflow. The second ideal feature for a woodshed is to have two bays. This allows you to rotate the wood from year to year. It's common, if you have a large enough woodshed, to have some wood left over. Then, in the spring, when you get your firewood, you load the new stuff over the old. Now your best wood is buried in the back of your woodshed. By having two bays, you can rotate the bays from year to year and always have access to your oldest firewood. Location. Insurance companies in our area ask that your woodshed be located a minimum of 50 feet from your house. This is in case of a structural fire. That way, there isn't a massive amount of fuel stored next to or in your home. Ideally, your woodshed is located away from the home and close to the nearest door of your wood stove. You will need to touch the wood several times before you burn it, and keeping the steps simple will save you a lot of time in the end. If you enjoyed this video and would like to know more about wood heat, please check out our channel and subscribe to Life on the 49th.